Hey y'all, how's it going? Just wanted to turn a bottle stop for you guys real quick. I haven't put out a video in a while. Just wanted to see what it was like. Redoing it. I know I've done a bottle stopper once before, but this one is a kind of a shot goblet bottle stopper. I know the lights are really not that great in here, but I'll post the pictures afterwards. So I got this bottle stopper and the hardware and the blank actually from this company right here, called the stainless steel bottle stoppers, and they're based out of Pennsylvania. I got to see them at the woodworking show. I actually really enjoyed their hardware. I got these inserts, as you can see. There you go. And it makes life a lot easier. 1/2 inch hole, 2-part epoxy, put that in there. I usually let it sit a day. I know it sucks, but it's a lot easier than tapping these. And you can take them on and off, wash bottle stoppers, and not have to worry about it. They're also heavy duty. They sit in a bottle real well, so it's really nice. I really like these, and I recommend them. If you're going to do bottle stoppers, I would definitely recommend looking them up. I'll put the link in the description down below. That's one. Two, I've been using this a lot lately. Yokrshire Grit. There we go. Sorry, I'll pull this away. Yokrshire Grit. It is a grit. You can use it to get a microfine sanding, as well as it also polishes. I don't usually use it for the polish. I only usually do 1 or 2 coats. Stuff works great. It actually makes everything softer, or smoother, I should say. Go ahead and take a look at them. You can go to YorkshireGrit.com. I'll also put that link in the description as well. And last but not least, my buddy John. I got this finish. It's a wax. Happy wax. There we go. Happy wax. 100% organic beeswax finishing. And this is a soft one. He also has a hard one too, which I have not chance to use it. I know it looks like a deodorant, but it's not. I haven't used it yet. But it goes on real good. It gives a nice smooth coat. It's 100% organic. He's also a small time maker, just like everybody else. So I wanted to go ahead and support him. He's down in Atlanta, and I'll actually be seeing him this coming week, which is nice. As you can tell, got new shirts. I will put the link down to purchase these. They're only $20, not much. I just got the front, and you can see on the back. Put your boots on and make something. You know, I'm always saying that to you guys. That's it. Short and simple. Bottle stopper's done. Stay warm, stay friendly, put your boots on, and make something, guys.